Do you guys want to learn how to make your bed nicely like this? Well, for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how. The first thing that we're going to be doing is the first layer of the bed, which is this white piece right here. Before you do anything, you got to find the longer section and the smaller section. You're doing geometry on a bed. So, as you can see, this area is short and this area is long. We got to figure out which area this is going to fit. Because we wouldn't want the bed to look all sloppy. Now, do we? I think we definitely found the winner. This is the longer part. In order for the bed to look nice, I always like to put the tag on this side. So make sure that the corners correspond. We're not doing any 90-degree angles. Other sides. It looks like it corresponds. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Make sure that there's no wrinkles, because if there is, you're not going to have a good night's sleep. Now that you're done with the basic parts, you will be adding the second base, which is the blankets. Most comfortable part. Again, you need to use your geometry skills. Find the shorter width and longer length so it corresponds with the bed. If you suck at geometry, just know this is the basics. Okay, so I think I definitely found the longer length and the shorter length. Now, we are going to correlate them. We're going to make them linear to each angle, all four sides. So we're going to start off with the upper right. It's okay if it's sticking out a little, because this is not a sheet, this is a blanket. It's supposed to show. Now that we're done with that one, we will be putting the third base on the bed, which is my favorite one, by the way, the pillows. The way that I like to decorate them is I like to put the white pillows first, very carefully. This one will go here. And then I would put these Fashion Novas towards each other. And that is how you make your bed look beautiful.